There was a time when I myself was a practitioner before I decided I had to go back and get that PhD thing. And I know that at the time I did not read any of the journals in the field. I ran Duke's Environmental Education Center and I never read any of the journals. And then because no one was teaching environmental education as a class, a colleague and I began to teach it, and then I got into the literature, which inspired me actually to go back and get my PhD. But it would have been really useful if I had had short documents that summarized the research question, the significance of the research question, the outcome of the research project, and enough about the method so that I would believe, so that I would find that answer compelling. That would be really useful. Thanks to NAAEE, we are working very hard on a project to produce scores of research summaries from relevant recent journal articles in the primary journals in environmental education. And we are using a number of summaries that already existed, including those, for example, in the Environmental Education Research Bulletin that Stanford is producing through eePro, and some that the Children and Nature Network have produced in the past. So we are building on and collecting the summaries that already exist, and we're looking for the holes, both in terms of date and content and audience, for summaries that don't exist yet, and then we're producing that with the help of some wonderful staff at Duke.